If you notice your Galaxy A16 or the A17 smartphone is charging only up to 80% and it won't go past that, then there is an option that you probably might have enabled and you are unaware of it. So let's do this together. I'll show you where to go and disable it. To find this feature, go ahead and use the quick access on your Samsung phone and tap on this little setting toggle right here. The fastest way to it is by typing in the search bar battery protection. All right, that's the fastest way you can find it. And just give it a few seconds for it to load up here. And if you just so happen to just not see it for some odd reason and it's just not showing up in any way whatsoever, you can also come back out of here and go down until you see battery right there. Once you're in the battery section, you will see battery protection section right here. And just by turning it off will disable this feature. But if you want to, you can tap on the words itself and it'll take you right here. Now, if you have it on and you notice some of these are enabled, you can have it to the basic if you want to, just to help reduce that overcharge. Or maximum here will give you a different set of options. Maximum will basically have it charge up to the set percentage. So if you leave it to 80%, it's gonna stay up to that all the time, no matter what you do. And of course, up to 95% as the max. Leaving it at basic back here, you also have the adaptive settings here, which will charge up to 80%. And then while you're sleeping, if it sees that you're not using it for a few hours, then it'll continue charging until 100%. And when you wake up, you'll find that it's 100% fully charged. But if you don't want any of these interrupting your charging, you just want to charge regardless of the situation, just disable battery protection and you are good to go.